Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we will learn about the multimeter. Step 1. Select a 9V battery from the components panel and place it on the work plane. Step 2. Place an LED on the work plane. Connect a resistor to its anode. Step 3. Select a multimeter from the components panel and place it on the work plane. Step 4. Connect the positive terminal of the multimeter to the anode of the LED through the resistor and the negative terminal to the cathode. Step 5. Connect the positive terminal of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. Click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action. Switch between the modes A and V to observe the current and voltage flowing from the battery.